Okay, this is example number 4. In this one, electrons are excited from n is equals to 1 to n is equals to fourth state. Means after excitation, electrons have reached to n is equals to 4. Okay. Now during downward transition, possible number of spectral lines observed in Balmer series. So they are asking only about Balmer series. Balmer series means, let's say n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. In Balmer series, electrons will be moving only from higher orbit to second orbit. Okay. Now we need to calculate how many possible transitions are there, or in how many ways electrons can jump from 4 to second orbit. Now, one possibility is there, electron directly moves from 4 to second orbit. Okay. One more possibility is there, instead of directly going from 4 to 2, electron will go from 4 to 3 first, then it will go from 3 to 2 first. So these are 3 possibilities are there. Okay. Or you can say total 3 radiations will occur. But for Balmer series we are talking about, means electron has to directly reach to second orbit. So here electron is directly moving from 4 to second orbit. So corresponding to this spectral line will be observed for Balmer series. So that is first one. In this case, electron is moving from 4 to 3. It's not moving directly to second orbit. So for this case, spectral line won't be observed for Balmer series. In this case, electron is moving from third to second orbit. Here, again, electron is directly reaching to second orbit, means for this case also, a spectral line will be observed in Balmer series. So total spectral lines which can be observed is 2. Okay. So let's move to the last one. The frequency of first line in Lyman series is nu. Okay, just now we had got this formula. Nu was Cr into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay. But this one was for hydrogen atom. If it is for some other atom, you have to multiply with z square. Okay. So frequency of the first line in Lyman series is nu. So for Lyman series, first line, electron will move from n is equals to 2 to n is equals to 1 orbit. So frequency observed will be Cr into z square. Now it is hydrogen atom, so z is 1. So 1 square into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. So that is coming as Cr into 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So that is the value of mu. Next is for doubly ionized lithium. So again for lithium, they are asking for corresponding line, means Lyman series first line. So Cr, here for lithium, we know atomic mass number is 3 or the value of Z is 3. So 3 square into 1 by n1 square, n1 will be 1. So 1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So you will get 9 Cr into 3 by 4. Okay. If you take the ratio of this one is Cr into 3 by 4, the another one is 9 times Cr into 3 by 4. So the ratio will come as 9, or you can say the frequency of this one will be 9V. So answer C, option C. So thank you.